Grab a cheap piece of veg tan leather or the leather of your choice. Hey, flaws equal character. Let's get fancy and give this one a little bit of a groove. It'll make for easy folding later. There we go. That looks great. See, we kind of fold it like this along the lines. As you notice, it kind of holds its shape a little bit better with that groove. Just mark where you want your rivet holes and punch them out. Well, since you insist, I'll bevel the edges. This is completely optional. Nice, it's coming together. Pinch the corners and you kind of get an idea of the shape. This thing needs some dye, and you know we're gonna go with a nice mahogany. Ooh, check this out. We can even get fancy with some stamps while it's still damp. Once it's dry, it's time for some gum trag, but of course that's only if you have any on hand, and it's again completely optional. For me, I slick the back with the gum trag, and I do the edges. Now that's smooth. Time for some leather balm, atom wax, or whatever leather conditioner you happen to have on hand. You just apply, let it set briefly, and then buff. And look at that shine. Pinch the corners, get some quick rivets, set the rivets, and you're done. Look at that. Very nice. Is it worth $25 to $50? Well, I think not, but there's a sucker born every minute. If you make your own, let me know down in the comments below and tell me how yours turned out. So thanks for watching, like and subscribe, and maybe, just maybe, I'll see you on the next video. If you enjoy videos about the randomness of our amazing world, consider clicking on the globe to subscribe, or maybe checking out one of the other videos right here.